Okay, format of writing disease condition in your final exams, and in annual exams. I'm giving the example and some tips for writing in the final exam. First of all, you before writing anything or before writing long essay or short essay, the tips for getting more marks in the final exam. First, you need to write the introduction. Okay, introduction. For example, they ask they asked in the exam, what is MI, myocardial infarction, and something they ask signs and symptoms or clinical manifestation, and explain the management or nursing management of patient with MI, like that they will ask in the exam. Okay, before you moving on to the direct meaning or direct definition, you have to introduce the content or introduce the topic. Mi is one of the cardiovascular system disorder. It's one of the coronary artery disease. Like that, you have to give the introduction. Okay, introduce the topic or introduce the content. Okay, that is the first one. Next, in the introduction, you no need to write introduction heading. Just to write the mi introduction. Okay, then meaning or definition. Okay, if you know the meaning, if they ask define the mi andre, you must write definition. If they ask what is mi andre, meaning is enough. Okay, meaning or definition. Okay, meaning and definition, actually what is that part, and what is the definition of that disease condition, like that you have to write. Next, types or classification. Okay, types of mi or classification of mi, or types of angina, unstable or stable, like that you have to write. Okay, types. Okay, next, causes or etiology or risk factor. Okay, causes, reason for the disease, or who are all at risk, or risk factors who are at risk, and is etiology. Causes, etiology are both the same, and risk factor means who are all at risk at the disease. Mi, for example, mi is more in young adults in nowadays. That is the risk. They are at risk. That is the risk factors, age group. And etiology and cause are both the same, reasons for that disease or causative factor. And pathophysiology means root of disease, or roots of disease transmission. Okay, roots of disease transmission from the oral, and from the oral to the esophagus to the liver to the anus, like that. There is some pathophysiology, how it is enter into the cell, and how it to destruct, and how it kill the cells, and what are the parts affected, and what are the what are the signs and symptoms or clinical manifestation or problems that patient has experienced. Okay, that is the pathophysiology. Any causative factor leads to, like that, you have to explain the pathophysiological condition. Next, signs and symptoms or clinical manifestation and clinical features. These are all the same. In the When you write the signs and symptoms, you have to divide the two parts: signs and symptoms. Signs means patient sign. Patient sign means patient not patient signature. Okay, patient sign means patient how it look like. That is subjective data. What you observe. Okay, what you collect. Okay, what you collect. That is the sign. Symptoms in patient experienced. Okay, patient only tell the symptoms: fever, nose bleeding, like that. They'll experience and they will share the symptoms. That's symptoms and signs. Next, clinical manifestation. You have to write the system wise, respiratory system, like that. For example, taking any mi under, that is cardiovascular system. Like you have to write cardiovascular system. In the mi condition, what is the respiratory problem in the respiratory system, you have to write. And in the genitourinary system, you have to write the kidney problems, like that. In the for mi case, what all system affected, you have to list down that disease condition. That is clinical manifestation. And clinical features is like that. What are the patient's signs and symptoms, same thing. Okay, next, investigation or diagnostic evaluation. Okay, investigation, what are the investigations. Okay, what are the investigation you do for that mi? For rule out mi, you have to do the ecg, electrocardiogram. That's one of the investigation you have to write, and you have to explain the like investigations. Next, complication means if it is untreated, if you not take correct treatment for the disorder, correct disease, correct treatment for the disease, and the next level next level disease condition. If mi is not if taken correct level disorder, that leads to the what, complete heart block. Okay, chb, complete heart block. If it is not taken undergo any angiogram, any angioplasty, any PTCA surgery, then that will lead to the complete heart block, heavy block, atrioventricular block. That patient may go for the shock or the patient may die. That's all the some complications like that. You have to explain and to write. In the management quota, in the management, you have to divide three management: medical, surgical, and nursing. Okay, in the medical management, you have to divide into two classification and two types in the pharmacological medical management. The pharmacological, like what are the drugs that help to reduce the disorder or reduce to treat the symptoms of the patient. That's the pharmacological management. In non-pharmacological meaning means diet therapy, nutrition therapy, some sun therapy. Okay, what are the other medical therapies? Steam inhalation. Okay, steam inhalation and something like that. That's the non-pharmacological management. In the surgical management, in the MI, in the MI myocardial infarction, you have to treat the patient. The MI surgical management is angiogram. Patient has to take the treatment, you have to take to the cardiac catheterization lab to perform the angiogram to remove the block. Okay, that is the surgical management. You have to need to explain surgical management. You have to write carefully with diagrams. Okay, that is surgical management. In the nursing management, here we have to focus on the more, except all the points, you have to focus on the nursing management. Okay, nursing management, you have to write here, you have to write the based on the nursing process or priorities. Okay, priorities is the new word. Priorities is the patient is first signs and symptoms. Okay, patient is having some pain or sleep disorder or headache or activity intolerance or self-care deficit. Out of this, okay, out of this, you have to mainly focus on the pain, next sleep disturbance, next self-care deficit. This is the priority need. Okay, that is nursing management. And you need to write the nursing care plan based on the nursing process, nursing assessment, subjective and objective data, nursing diagnosis, pain related to infection like that, and planning or goals and intervention rational. Okay, intervention rational and the implementation and evaluation. This is all the nursing care plan in the nursing process format. In the exam they ask, okay, explain the nursing management with three nursing care plan. Okay, they may ask like that. You have to write ready and to be ready for writing that exam. Okay, in the final examination, this is the one of the format of writing the disease condition in your exam. And you, when you maintaining some notes on it, you can write and you can manage, or you can store this one. You can refer this class. If you have any doubt, see this class again. Okay.